Running ads as a small business means every dollar has to work hard. The right ad platform can help you reach your ideal customers, boost sales, and grow without wasting your budget. After testing and comparing dozens, here are my top 5 ad platforms for small businesses in 2025. At number 5 is Twitter ads, now X ads. While it's not for everyone, it works well for trending products or services tied to news, culture, or real-time conversations. Targeting is precise and you can reach niche audiences, especially B2B or tech-savvy markets. Number 4 is Pinterest ads. If you're in fashion, beauty, home decor, or lifestyle, Pinterest delivers high intent and long-term engagement. Users come to browse and plan purchases, which makes it ideal for visually driven businesses. At number 3 is LinkedIn ads. Pricier than most platforms, but incredibly effective for B2B, coaching, and service-based businesses targeting professionals. You can target by industry, job title, company size, and more. Great for lead generation and webinars. Coming in at number 2 is Meta ads, Facebook and Instagram. With unmatched targeting, audience size, and retargeting capabilities, Meta is still one of the most powerful tools for e-commerce and local businesses. It's especially effective for visual storytelling and impulse buys. And number 1, Google Ads. With search, display, and YouTube placements, it meets people right when they're searching. Perfect for local services, product discovery, and driving traffic to your site. Smart campaigns make it beginner-friendly and the results are measurable. Each of these platforms can deliver amazing ROI if you tailor your message and strategy to the audience and format.